Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Shade and Shine, and if you're new to this channel then please don't forget to subscribe and also please do share this video with others. And watch this video till the end, and if you liked it please hit the like button. Today my husband and myself were craving for some spicy food, some outside food, but at this situation it's not safe to order from outside, right? So we thought to make some yummy burger. We had some buns lying in our home, so we made the burgers. It was really yummy, friends. So this video is about the recipe of that burger, how we prepare the burger. So without any further ado, let's get into the boiling some veggies in a cooker. Here we are using beans, peas, potatoes, carrots. You can use any vegetables as per your choice. Close the lid of the cooker and boil it for at least 2 whistles in high flame. Chop some onions, chilies and set it aside. You can also add garlic and ginger. That is optional. If you like, you can use that too. All the vegetables have boiled completely. Now we gonna add some masalas and mash it. Here I have added jeera powder, coriander powder, pinch of garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder, and to this I am adding the chopped onions and chilies. You can even fry the onions and chilies before adding and mashing it. That will be a spicy version. Mash it properly. You can mash with hand or take the help of any tool. Now it's time to make the patty. Take the mashed veggies in the palm of your hand and shape it like a round patty. Giving a shape to the mashed veggies is done. This is how it will look like. Now it's time to fry the patties. Since we are using less oil, we are frying in a pan. You can even deep fry this. We have to fry it from both the sides, so just flip it very carefully. Even you can dip this patty in corn flour powder mixture. Take some corn flour and mix with water and then dip the patty. That will give extra crispiness. We're gonna make 2 veg burgers and 2 egg burgers. So here 2 poach on the pan getting cooked. This is how the patty look like after frying. The patties are ready. Add some butter on the pan and heat the buns from both sides. Now it's time to assemble the burger. Put all the things together. You can add raw veggies if you like or skip this. Here I am adding veg mayonnaise on top of the cheese slice. You can add this or skip this step. This is really optional and based on your taste. If you like, then you can add more slices of cheese and mayonnaise. Here our veg burger is ready. The same way I have put together the egg burgers with patty and poach. So here is the final product. This looks tasty to me. I have to try. You also give this recipe a try and let me know. Yummy. Loved it. Like, share, subscribe.